if the mth term of an AP is 1 upon n and the nth term is 1 upon m, then show that its nth term, m into nth term is 1. Did you get it? See here. To prove. What is to prove? T mn is equal to 1. This is our to prove. Now proof. Very simple example. See here, what is given if mth term of an AP is 1 upon n, mth term. See here, Tm is equal to 1 upon n. Mth term is means we write is equal to 1 upon n. See here, therefore formula for mth term, like nth term. Okay, see here, Tm is equal to this, a plus m minus 1 into d, because mth term, so we write here m is equal to 1 upon n. We multiply here to this bracket by d. Therefore, a, or you can write finally also, no problem. Okay, keep as it is and then multiply afterwards when there is a need. Okay, but I will show you here. A plus, see this, a then plus dd, a plus m into d, okay, plus m, and this is also positive, so plus m into d means md, plus into minus, here 1, no, so d into 1, d, we have already written here minus, is equal to 1 upon n. Did you get it? Very simple. Now second, the nth term is 1 upon m, nth term. See here, therefore Tn is equal to 1 upon m. Then formula for this, you know this, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 upon m. Very simple. Write according to statement in this paper or in your textbook. We multiply same way, a plus d into n or n into d, then minus 1 into d is equal to 1 upon m. Equation number 2. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Equation 2 from 1. So take this first. See here, a plus md minus d from 1. So first equation number 1 and its left side LHS. We subtract LHS of second. Subtracting. So minus. Here more than one terms. So put bracket. See here. A plus ND minus D. Did you get it? Is equal to right side of 1, equation number 1, minus right side of second equation. Did you get it? Now here, therefore A plus MD minus D. Minus sign, this internal sign changes. Minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, and minus becomes plus. Did you get it? Now here cross multiplication. M into 1 means M minus N into 1 N upon M into N Mn. Did you get it? Very simple. Now here plus A minus C minus D plus D. Okay, therefore see this here, MD minus ND, MD minus ND. So here D common, so we take this D common. Then what is left? M. Here left M, and here minus N. Did you get it? Is equal to, see this, M minus N upon Mn. Okay, therefore we take this, see this, D is equal to M minus N, we take to the right side and we will find value of D. Therefore see this carefully, M minus N original and M into N original. Okay, we take this to the right, then this becomes denominator, this cancelled. Therefore what is value of D? 1 upon Mn. This is value of D. Now we substitute this value, we substituting in any equation 1 or 2, we substitute this value of D. Okay, this is we put here. Okay, then becomes very easy. See here, in equation 1, where is 1? That. In equation 1, but actually we put here, then that becomes very easy. Did you get it? We put here. Okay, now because here D alone and here see this. Okay, or you put here also, no problem. Now see this, therefore I will take this, see here, A plus M minus 1 into D is equal to 1 upon N. Okay, then we put this value, therefore A plus M minus 1 into value of D, 1 upon Mn is equal to 1 upon N. Therefore A, we give separate denominator to M and minus 1. See this, 1 M, 1 into M, M upon Mn minus 1 upon Mn, separate denominator to M. See this, M upon Mn minus 1 -1 upon mn. -1 into 1, -1 is equal to 1 upon n. See here, this mm cancelled. Therefore, A, see this, 1 upon n minus, we take this to the right side afterwards, okay, mn, 1 upon mn is equal to 1 upon n. Now see this plus 1 upon n and minus 1 upon mn we take to the right side. Therefore, A is equal to, we take this both. First we write this 1 upon n. We take this plus to the right side becomes minus. Plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Did you get it? Now plus 1 upon n minus 1 upon n cancelled. Therefore, A is equal to what is value? 1 upon mn. Did you get it? When we put here in 1, then also we get value same, because we obtained this equation 1 from this. Did you get it? So this is simple. So I have taken here this one. Did you get it? Now our question, what is? Find or to prove mnth term is 1. See here carefully. See this. We write Tmn is equal to A plus mn minus 1 into D. No? Therefore, Tmn, instead of here, instead of here m, no, then we write here m, no, here n, so we write here n. Now here mn, so we write here mn. Very simple idea. What is value of A? Value of A, 1 upon mn plus, see this, we directly or see here, mn into D, mn D minus D. Did you get it? mn into D minus 1 into D, D. Therefore, Tmn is equal to 1 upon mn plus mn into value of D. Value of D. What is value of D? 1 upon mn. No, minus, see this, value of D. What is value of D? 1 upon mn. See this, plus 1 upon mn minus 1 upon mn cancelled. No, here mn, numerator denominator mn cancelled. Now therefore, Tmn is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 1. This one, this plus 1 and this minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Therefore, Tmn is equal to 1. This is our to prove.